Hello, welcome to ECTRA's timer. Let us look into the detail about what the timer is. Timer, a guidance product of ECTRA. ECTRA, a small introduction about the ECTRA. ECTRA, Equity, Commodity Training and Research Academy. The mission of our company is enabling every individual towards a structured and a disciplined process of wealth creation through stock market opportunities. Company is 8-year-old and is conducting various levels of training program. Conducted more than 1,500 training program with a learner base of more than 5,000. The products of ECTRA are basically the training for the beginners as well as for the people who are active in the market, followed by the post-training support in the form of guidance as a continuous learning. Also, ECTRA keep developing educational materials in the form of books and DVDs. I am R Arulrajhan, the trainer, 25 years of experience in the field of financial market. I am an empanelled trainer with NSE and NISM. I also authored a book called Sariyana Parvai in Tamil and the Right Perspective in English about the stock market. Also, I have authored another book called Traderle Ushar for the active traders. It is in Tamil, published by a popular publication in Tamil Nadu called Vikatan Publications. I do appear in various regional Tamil channels for stock market related programs. Why timer? There's a question coming into the mind. So the stock market is giving various kinds of opportunities such as trading, where you can buy and hold for a few minutes, hours a day trading, and position trading also you can do for a few days. As well, the investment opportunity is also there for long-term buy and hold for months and years. The short-term trading, short-term investment opportunity, buy and hold for weeks to months. So these are all the opportunities. Then which one is better for us, trading or investment? When you're looking into, when you talk about the trading, it is an emotional game. It triggers to greed and fear and pushes to the irrational decisions to end up with losses. But coming to investment, it's a rational game. You take the delivery of the stock and you have the patience to wait for a favorable opportunity and take a rational decision to earn money. So the price movement in the market is based on few things like the good news, where the market absorbs the positive news and tend to move up. When the bad news comes, the market absorbs and then market moves down. By the time we receive the news, the price already moved. The important to note here is we should track the price to make an entry, exit, and make profit. So ultimately, the price tracking is very, very important. The price may be in the long-term uptrend or the long-term downtrend, or can be in the short-term uptrend or short-term downtrend. We should try to identify where all the false signals are coming up, false up and down movements, in order to find out the correct trend presently. The profit, all that matters for us. So timing the entry is very, very important. The price fluctuation sometimes can be mild, sometimes it can be wild. So volatility actually, even though it is giving us some fear, that volatility only will give us more opportunity. The important thing to know the strong reversal point to make an entry for an investment. The price movement with emotional movement between greed and fear always tangles and it delays the decision or it leads to indecision. Market may still hold the main direction, but there will be a lot of noises will be coming up, ups and downs. We have to understand how to skim those noises to hold the main trend so that we will not move out of the trend. The objective is to make profit. So you can hold the stock for long term, may give profit or loss. The important to understand when the price reverses from the up move, we should book the profit. So understanding the fundamental also helps. So not enough just to know the price movement, should also understand the fundamentals of the company, the financial statement, balance sheet, income statement, cash flow statements, the important ratios such as like PE ratio, earning per ratio. So all that will give an idea about the company basically before we choose it, even to make an entry technically. ECTRA's investment and portfolio analysis training program will cover these aspects and teach you to create your own portfolio to manage it also. As a successful investor, you should know how to choose the right company and wait for the price reversal for the right entry and track the price and skim the noises and stay alert to exit with a good profit. When the price reverses from the up move, you should be quick enough to book the profit. So timer is all about this only. ECTRA will do all this work for you by constantly monitoring and help you with the guiding entry and exit points. ECTRA is an investment guidance product. It helps you to be successful investor with the guidance on entry and exit. Even though we have two subcategories, short-term and long-term timer, time being we'll go with only short-term timer. So the short-term timer means we should be able to hold on for few months, and long-term means at least an year or so. So now we will also go with only the short-term timer to start with. So how does it work? In the first phase, ECTRA selected 10 good companies from the Nifty 50, covering different sectors. ECTRA will track these companies for you to provide the technical reversal points to enter. And holding period for a short term will be likely, a few weeks to months. Holding period for long term will be likely for more than 3 months. ECTRA will constantly track not only to entry, also to exit at the profit reversal points, or sometime it may go against your entry. That time also we should see that you should be able to exit with the small losses. How to communicate to you? We have a different system, but currently for immediate purpose, the information about the changes in the reversal pattern will be uploaded in our website. As a subscriber, you can download it. You will be informed in the Telegram channel time being. Later, it will be evolved to send the SMS to you directly. This is for your just information. You can also track the information what we put in various social media such as Twitter, then we have Instagram, Facebook under the tag ECTRA Fin Academy. We do a live futures Nifty analysis in the YouTube at 11 o'clock in the ECTRA TV Tamil channel, also in the 11:15 in ECTRA TV English channel. You can also watch this continuously to benefit out of it. So start investing, create your own portfolio to maximize with our timer.